Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disable the auto update feature for all the different software on your Nintendo Switch 2, which includes both your installed games and also the different apps like the ability to watch Hulu. So to find these options, all you gotta do is pop over to the system settings, which is the gear on your home page, and then scroll all the way to the bottom of the left-hand sidebar till you find the Systems tab. Inside the System tab, down at the very bottom, is the Software Auto Updates feature, and if you have this enabled, which it should be enabled by default, or this will allow your software to make sure it stays up to date automatically in the background so that it's always ready to play. Now, you might want to disable this in the event that you know that the new patch has a problem, or if you want to continue to play the current version of a game because you prefer it over what's being changed. And then you can just manually say no every time you launch the game. Otherwise, that's it. That's where you find that setting. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.